Alright guys, welcome back to another G Auto Repair YouTube video, and today we're working on 2016 Chevrolet Camaro. And this is one of those little bit of rant videos. About a month ago I replaced the thermostat on this Camaro because it was stuck open, and it was popping a code for thermostat efficiency. As you can see, I've already removed it again. And about a week ago or so, the owner calls back, said, "Hey, I think this thing is overheating. The fan is blowing high again." Um, GMs have a logic when it comes to thermostats that if it detects that the coolant takes longer to warm up than normal, than what it's programmed to, it will it will set off a code first of all, and then it will put the cooling fan on high. It will kill the AC compressor, and it will be blowing on high all the time. So that was the issue. I replaced it. That got fixed. He calls me about a week ago, said, "Hey, I think it's doing the same thing again." So I go down the questionnaire, said, "Oh, is it doing this? Is it doing that?" So he says, "No, it's not doing that, but it's doing this." I'm like, "No, you got a different issue." But anyways, bring it in so we can look at it. And it turns out that I was getting no circulation on the radiator for cooling. I mean, it was blowing cold air. This hose was cold. The bottom one was hot. Classic thermostat not opening symptoms. Is a new thermostat. What the heck? Well, I pulled it out. Here's the supposed to be new one, and did a little test on it, which I'm gonna do on camera to try to make this video as educational as possible. And it doesn't open. No matter how hot the water gets, it doesn't open. Part defective new part, made in China or something, I don't know. So I had to go get a new one. The box says made in Israel. I don't know. Let's see if they know how to make parts in Israel. I don't know. I'm not trying to offend anybody. It's just I'm kind of frustrated because, you know, this gives us all a bad name. You know. Now this is not my fault. This is a defective part, but still, you know, it's inconvenient for the customer. A couple of days or a week after this gets replaced, it's not working. So, you know, there's warranty. They say yes, there's warranty, but I still gotta tear it apart again, and the customer has to be without his car for another day. So it's I digress. That's it. So we're gonna make some good out of this video and show you guys how to check thermostats, and this applies across the board, all thermostats, for the exception of some that may be a little different because maybe they're electronically controlled or whatnot. So we're gonna show you guys how to get this done. So if you give me a moment, let me make sure that I'm set up. We're gonna go inside and we're going to start our testing procedures. Stay tuned. Alright, so we've moved the recording studio to inside the home here, and I've got some regular water boiling. As you can see, the temperature here is at over 200, 210, and this thermostat is rated at 194. So at 194, and it's right there at the tip, at 194 it should open. So this is the bad one. You got water boiling at over 200 degrees, 210, 211, 212. So this thermostat should open at this temperature, and it's going to be hard to see because of the bubbles, but I guarantee you that it's not opening. We're going to leave it there for about a minute or so. It should open up relatively quick. And then we're going to do the same with the new thermostat. So come on, guys, make better parts. I don't know, better quality control. Ever since the pandemic, I've been running into this a lot. I don't know if you guys are also experiencing this, but a lot of defective parts, brand new out of the box. It's like quality control has gone down the crapper. I don't know why, but let's blame it on COVID. Everybody seems to be blaming everything on COVID. So as you can see, it is closed. Let's put this one, see what happens. Hopefully it will open. If it doesn't, then we have a problem, because then we have two bad thermostats. I heard something, so I'm thinking it opened. No, must have been my imagination. Yeah, it's opened.
How do you know?
This one has opened. Look at it right there, opening. We're gonna put it back in the water. Yeah, let's just put it. Let's just have a nice thermostat hot bath here going on. Why not? Parts need a vacation too, right?
Always working in the heat and stuff.
Always working, and you know, no play makes the parts upset. That's why they break down. You know, they get upset. So this one is open. This is the new one, so we know that's working. This is the bad one. We're just gonna toss them up in there. Let's see what temperature we got going on here now. 110, 212. 212 still. Okay. That's enough for it to open. Ooh. Careful with that steam. Ooh. That steam will get you. There it is. It's open. See? Open thermostat. That's how that works. And as soon as it cools down, it'll start to close. As you can see, starting to close already. And our supposed to be new guy here, let's go ahead and work smart and not burn ourselves. Still closed. See? Nothing. This one starting to close now. We're gonna give that one a nice hot bath again. Just put this here, and you'll see it'll open up relatively quickly. You know, at these temperatures. But I know this one is working, at least for right now. At least for right now. Let's see. I'm assuming that this was working when I installed it, because I didn't have no overheating problems. So maybe this one will work for another couple of days, and then it'll take a crap again. I don't know. And if that's the case, then I'm gonna have to, you know, figure something else out, because I'm not gonna keep throwing bad thermostats on these things. This is just a waste of my time, the customer's time, everybody's time. So there you have it, guys. Defective parts. What's going on? What's happening? Why? Why does this keep happening? I can understand one or two here and there, but ever since COVID and the shortage and all this stuff, quality control has gone down the crapper. So if you guys are having the same situation, let me know. Let's talk about it. And parts manufacturers and whatnot, come on. Let's fix this. This is ridiculous. Come on. So there's my rant. I hope you guys at least learned something. If you're watching for the first time, I thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed the content, like and subscribe. And if you're a returning viewer, thanks a lot for your support. Please like and continue watching and continue supporting the channel. Again, thanks for everything, and we'll catch you on the next video. Ciao.